Major upgrade of JAKA Studio Pro. The AI assistant delivers an excellent programming experience. Tell the AI assistant the model of JAKA robot you need. Loading complete. Input the end effector you require. Loading complete. Take clear photos of each workpiece with the industrial camera. Change the shooting angle. Upload the workpiece photos. The AI assistant will generate models for you in minutes. Adjust the model dimensions. Next, tell your AI assistant all your program requirements. How great is this programming experience? Just give one single command and it will handle everything for you. Run the program. Let's check the results.